Hello, friends. These days, the question is 12 divided by, open parentheses, 2 plus 2, close parentheses. So first, 12 divided by 3. Wait, in the bracket, it's 2 plus 2, so that's 4. Now, when we remove the bracket, we use multiplication, so it's 4 times 4. Now, 4 times 4 is 16. This is the answer, but this is the long answer. Now let's reread the question. 12 divided by 3, and in the bracket, 2 plus 2. According to the BODMAS rule, first we solve the bracket. Sorry, according to the BODMAS rule. First, we solve the bracket, then division and multiplication take priority over addition and subtraction. When it comes to division and multiplication, we check from left to right. So here, first we'll solve the bracket, 2 plus 2, which is 4. So rewrite it as 12 divided by 3 divided by 2 plus 2, which is 4. When division is next to a bracket, we turn it into multiplication. 12 minus 3 times 4. Now, first we'll solve the division, first step, then the second part is multiplication. So 12 divided by 3, then times 4. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and now, for the further solution, 4 times 4 is 16. This is the correct answer.